Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make equal width buttons in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to your browser and search wordpress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. This is the home page you're going to see over here. On the right hand side, you can see the quick links option. Below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. And after you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, we are gonna go to the right left hand side over here. You can see the plus icon which says insert block inserter, and here we are gonna search for button. As you can see, this is the buttons option over here. We are simply gonna drag it over here and place it wherever we want it to be. Suppose I want my button to be here, then I have simply clicked, and on the right hand side we're going to focus on the width over here. I'm going to select it to 75%. Then after that, if I want to add another button from here, I'm just gonna simply put it over here, as you can see, and same in the same way I'm just gonna select my button components over here from here. As you can see, if I select another button and place it over here I get that option to like simply put my button from here to here. And here is the width option. I can modify my width according to my needs. As you can see, when it's 50%, it is equal to this button from before. As you can see, this button and this button are completely similar and identical. That means both of my buttons are of equal width. And after I'm done adding the buttons, I'm simply gonna click on save to save all of my actions. And that is how you make equal width buttons in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.